Are you ready to elevate your culinary creations to new heights, infusing every dish with the vibrant and aromatic essence of fresh herbs? Creating flavorful dishes with fresh herbs is your passport to the enchanting world of herb-infused cuisine, where a handful of leaves can transform ordinary meals into extraordinary feasts. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the art of using fresh herbs to add depth, fragrance, and exquisite flavor to your dishes, leaving you captivated by the culinary possibilities they offer. 1. The herbaceous enigma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the enigma of herbs, where the seemingly simple leaves possess the power to intensify the flavors of your dishes. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to culinary enchantment and the magic of fresh herbs. 2. Understanding the herb arsenal. Begin by defining the array of fresh herbs available and their essential role in culinary arts. Describe how herbs like basil, cilantro, rosemary, and mint offer a diverse spectrum of flavors that can complement various dishes. 3. Herbs, nature's flavor enhancers. Delve into the enchanting nature of herbs as natural flavor enhancers. Emphasize how they can infuse your meals with freshness, fragrance, and taste, making your dishes truly memorable. 4. Pairing herbs with dishes. Explore the art of pairing herbs with different types of dishes. Discuss how basil complements Italian cuisine, cilantro elevates Mexican flavors, and rosemary enhances roasted meats and vegetables. 5. Harvesting and storing fresh herbs. Share tips on how to properly harvest, store, and preserve the freshness of herbs. Offer guidance on growing your own herb garden or selecting quality herbs from the market. 6. Techniques for herb integration. Discuss various techniques for incorporating fresh herbs into your recipes. Explain how to finely chop, chiffonade, or use whole leaves to maximize their impact on your dishes. 7. Herbs beyond seasoning. Highlight the versatility of herbs beyond seasoning. Discuss their role in garnishes, infusions, and herb-infused oils and vinegars, which can add complexity to your culinary creations. 8. The long-term culinary herb journey. Conclude with the idea that using fresh herbs isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a lifelong commitment to culinary excellence and the art of flavor enhancement. Encourage readers to embrace the world of fresh herbs as a long-lasting approach to creating memorable and delicious dishes. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of infusing their dishes with fresh herbs but will also be motivated to incorporate these culinary treasures into their daily cooking, ensuring that they can savor the benefits of a more aromatic, flavorful, and enchanting dining experience. Creating flavorful dishes with fresh herbs is a journey into a world of culinary magic and sensory delight, where every meal becomes an opportunity to immerse yourself in the captivating world of fresh herbs. So, let's embark on this herb-infused journey and discover the remarkable benefits it offers for your culinary creations and gastronomic adventures. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.